Welcome, friends, in the distance learning education program. So, today I would like to say about in standard tense topic which name change the text in grammar portion. So, let's start our video. There are four types of change the text. I have mentioned four types in change the text according to new paper style. First of all, we would like to say about first topic gender, second thing plural, third form tense, and number fourth we have to study about active passive voice. So friends, these four types of gender text we have to mention in our 10th grammar, and these four types of gender text we have to study in our syllabus. So let's start one by one. We study our gender text. So first I have mentioned gender. You all are seeing in your screen. First topic I have mentioned gender, and then gender is two types. First is male and second is female. So here is a list of a male and female gender. Let's read one by one. First of all, uncle transform into aunt. Female version is aunt. Second, brother convert into sister. Nephew transform into niece. Waiter transform into waitress. Lion transform into lioness. Husband transform into wife. Son transform into daughter. King transform into queen. Prince transform into princess. Poet transform into poetess. Author transform into authoress. Hunter transform into huntress. Boy transform into girl. Gentleman transform into lady. Actor transform into actress. Hero transform into heroine. God transform into goddesses. Tiger transform into tigress. Master transform into mistress. Father transform into mother. Papa transform into mama. Dad transform into mom. Cook transform into aunt. Bridegroom transform into bride. Milkman transform into milkmaid. And peacock transform into peahen. So these are genders. Male version into female version. Let's study ahead. I have mentioned here change the text as shown. This is the instruction given in our paper, in board question paper. So let's have some examples. I have mentioned first example in your screen. Pratham is a good poet. He writes lyrics and sonnets. He himself reads the proofs of his poems. So friends, this is one example. We have to convert it as per change the text. So first of all we have to understand that this paragraph is gender, active passive, tense or plural. First of all we have to decide, and I have decided that this paragraph is gender because here the name first Pratham is transformed in below instruction begin like this Parita. So here Pratham convert into Parita. So this is the gender we have decided. Okay. This instruction is compulsory given you in your paper, in your board question paper. so you have to understand it well. Okay, so let's find its answer. I have mentioned its answer. Pratham is a good poet. He writes lyric and sonnets. He himself reads the proof of his poem. This paragraph is converting by gender. Parita is a good poetess. Here, Pratham convert into Parita, poet convert into poetess, and he, this is the pronoun of Pratham, convert into pronoun of Parita, she. She writes lyrics and sonnets. And next, he pronoun convert into she, himself convert into herself, and his convert into his poem. Okay, so we all understand that here is a paragraph of gender. Next slide is next example. There was a handsome prince in that kingdom. He became the king after the death of his father. He loved to ride on his favorite horse every day. This paragraph was asked by board in March 2020. March 2020. This paragraph of gender was asked by board question paper. So let's find its answer. First of all, we have to decide that which paragraph is this: gender, tense, plural, active, passive. So shall have instruction. To begin like this, we have read that there was a beautiful princess. According to instruction, we have to transform prince, handsome prince, into beautiful princess. It means this paragraph is gender. So we have to transform gender of prince into princess. Okay, where there is he, we have to do she. Okay, let's find its answer. There was a beautiful princess in that kingdom. She became the queen. Here we mention he transformed into she and king transformed into queen, and his father transformed into her mother, and then he transformed into she and his transformed into her, and horse transformed the gender mare. Okay, so this paragraph was asked by board in the last year's question paper. Okay, in March 2020. Shall have a self-learning exercise. I have mentioned here one paragraph to do and convert this paragraph in gender. So paragraph is: Lalubhai was a milkman. He delivered milk to his customer himself. He works his works was really too difficult, but he liked his work. Okay, what shall we have to do? Let's have some instruction. Begin like this. Lilaben was a milkmaid. Here I have mentioned Lilaben was a milkmaid. It means Lalubhai transformed into Lilaben. We have to uh, introduce that Lalubhai converting into Lilaben. It means the gender he, we have to do she. Okay. Uh, you have to do this paragraph self learning. And next paragraph I would like to say you: my son Dax is a good singer. He himself prepares his composition. His songs are broadcast by All India Radio. He heartily loves his hobby. Okay, what shall we have to do in this paragraph? Let's have instruction. Begin like this: my daughter Canvi is a good singer. So all friends, you all understand that these both paragraphs are gender. Okay, we have to convert into gender. Okay, this is your self learning exercise. and thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, very good, thank you.